this burden far too long, yet your word has been my only song. Though my nights have been filled with tears, you have kept me through all these years. Your promise still gives me hope today, though the answers seem far away. Your word declares you make all things new, so I place all my trust in you. Like Joseph waiting through prison walls, you were preparing him through it all. What looked like delay became destiny. Lord, let that also be my testimony. When Hannah cried, you heard her voice. When Ruth waited, you changed her story. When Bartimaeus cried, you stood still. When the woman reached for your garment, healing flowed. You are still the same today. Do not pass me by. Hear my humble cry. While on others you are calling, please, Lord, answer me. Your word says those who sow in tears will surely reap with songs of joy. So I will wait, I will believe, for your timing is always perfect. For every family waiting on breakthrough, for every heart that's been wounded by life, for every soul praying for restoration, Lord, breathe hope again tonight. You opened prison doors for Peter, you parted seas for Moses, you fed Elijah in the wilderness. You never abandon your own. Your promises still remain. Your covenant never fails. The God of yesterday is the God of today. Jesus, remember the forgotten, lift the discouraged, heal the brokenhearted, provide for every family, restore every marriage, strengthen the weak, open impossible doors. Your word says, and so in tears, no. To sow in tears shall reap in joy. Tonight I choose to believe your word. Tonight I choose to believe. Your word says in Isaiah 43:19, behold, I will do a new thing. Lord, do that new thing in my life. Do not pass me by. Hear my humble cry. I will trust you through the waiting. I will lift my eyes to you like Joseph. You will lift me like Ruth. You will provide like Hannah. Answer in your perfect time. You have never failed. You will not begin with me. I believe, I receive, I will testify in Jesus' mighty name.